Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you're looking to zoom in DaVinci Resolve, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So without further ado, let's get zooming. Essentially, you can import media to Zoom, such as Zoom effects. However, if you want to do this manually, jump into the Edit tab, which is right here at the bottom. You're going to tap on that, make sure it's open, and click on your clip. Now, once your clip is selected, you're going to go up to the top right-hand side. And if you don't see this menu, you can just click on Inspector, and this will open up all of your video options. Make sure video is selected, and what we will do is we are going to start our zoom from the beginning of the video. On the transform tab, we are going to select this icon over here. Now this is creating a keyframe. What we will then do is push play, and we are then going to stop the video where we would like our zoom to stop. So it is now there. Over on zoom on the right hand side under the transform, you are going to click down and move your mouse to the right hand side. You can see that on your preview pane, it is zooming in. Now you can also click on this and dial in a value over here, but essentially this is what your video will look like. You can do this with different parts of the video, and if you go onto the actual timeline over here, you can click on this and you'll see all of your keyframes. Now you can click down on this keyframe and you can move it apart. The further apart the keyframes are, the slower the zoom will be, and the closer your keyframes are, the quicker the zoom will be. Now, if you want to learn more about DaVinci Resolve, you can jump into How to Harbor. Our channel has tons of awesome content to help you grow. We'll see you over there, people. Peace out.